Hi, in this video we are going to see about barcodes under domestic and consumer appliances in consumer electronics. Barcodes. A barcode is a rectangular block of black and white lines often seen printed on cans of food, books and many other items. It is a method of coding consumer products by combinations of bars of varying thickness representing characters and numerals. The black lines and white spaces tells a computer what the item is and how much the item costs. The various codes, Universal Product Code UPC and the other are designed to be ready by optical ones or stationary in counter readers. A great deal of work could be avoided if it were possible to input information by speech rather than by digital recording or keyboard methods. There is certainly potential for development in this area, since some use of this technique has already been made. However, because the human voices vary so much from one person to another, it has not yet been possible to devise a method of recognition that can be used by more than a few people whose voice patterns have already been recorded and fed into the computer. This then is one of the ways in which information can be input, recorded and retrieved. There are other techniques too, and new ones are always being developed as well as established or redefined. Barcode is popular in sales work. The usual format is to have a series of lines of varying thickness in relation to each other on the side of the item for sale. At the point of sale, a light pin is passed over this area. The light pin sends the computer a signal according to the scanned lines. The lines themselves indicate what the item is and what it costs. This saves the sales assistant the trouble of keying in the price of individual items and also makes a record of one more item being sold to safeguard stock levels. Less often, the barcode forms the media for programs and data storage in video cassette recorders. The most common barcode format is called the Universal Product Code. The other formats called Interleave 2 of 5 and Code 39 are also used. Today, the UPC has become a subset of the European article number. A typical UPC symbol usually has the UPC type represented by one character, the UPC manufacturer or vendor ID number represented by 5 characters, the UPC item number represented by 5 characters, and finally one character that is used as a check digit. Another format of barcode symbol is shown in the figure. This format is the Automotive Industry Action Group, which is used in the automotive industry to identify parts that are shipped between parts manufacturer and the assembly plant. In this figure, you can see that the formats includes 5 separate barcode symbols that are made up of number of letters. A wide variety of additional formats has been designed over the past few years. These formats allow the barcode symbols to represent information that is useful to these applications. Figure shows the example of Universal Product Code format and Automotive Industry Action Group format of barcodes. Optical reading is a system based on the principle that optical shape of each character and the input media is capable of being identified by a reading device. A barcode system is made up of 2 parts, the printer and the scanner decoder. Printers are available to print labels or to print directly on product such as cardboards, boxes and packages. The ink must contrast with the background so that the symbol can be easily read by the scanner. The second part of the system consists of a scanner that reads the code symbol and a decoder that interprets the code. Optical scanners, also referred to as digital scanners or barcode readers, are special optical devices which scan patterns of incident lights and generative analog digital signals, which are functions of the incident light synchronized with the scan. The primary purpose being to generate or read digital representation of printed or written data. The block diagram of a barcode scanner and decoder is shown in this figure. This figure shows some barcode readers look like pens. The light source that are used to illuminate the barcode can be from an LED, a visible laser diode, an infrared laser diode, or a helium neon laser. The type of light sources depends on the type of ink that is used in the barcode and the location where the codes will be read. Since some barcodes are read in an industrial environment, it may be difficult to get light sources to reflect the barcode directly and correctly. So one of the invisible light sources such as infrared laser or helium neon laser is used. Thank you.